When mechanics spend their own money, they usually choose motorcycles they trust. These are 7 bikes that mechanics personally recommend for reliability, comfort, and long-term ownership. Number 7. Kawasaki Z650. The Kawasaki Z650 is one of those motorcycles that quietly earns respect from mechanics and riders alike. It may not be the flashiest bike on the market, but it has built a strong reputation for being dependable, easy to live with, and surprisingly fun to ride every day. Power comes from a 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, predictable performance. Whether you're commuting through traffic or enjoying a weekend ride on country roads, the engine feels responsive without being intimidating. The bike also keeps its weight relatively low, which makes slow-speed maneuvering easier for newer riders and more comfortable for experienced riders who no longer want to wrestle with a heavy machine. Another reason mechanics often recommend the Z650 is its straightforward design. Routine maintenance is generally simple, parts are widely available, and the bike has a proven track record for long-term reliability. That's exactly the kind of motorcycle professionals like to see because it spends more time on the road and less time in the workshop. What really stands out is how balanced the entire package feels. The Z650 doesn't try to be extreme in any area, and that's part of its appeal. It's the kind of motorcycle that makes everyday riding enjoyable while giving owners confidence mile after mile. Number 6. Kawasaki Ninja 650. The Kawasaki Ninja 650 is a motorcycle that mechanics frequently recommend because it combines sporty styling with real-world practicality. Many riders are attracted to its aggressive appearance, but what keeps owners happy is how comfortable and reliable it is over the long run. At its heart is a 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, usable power throughout the rev range. Instead of chasing extreme performance, Kawasaki focused on creating an engine that feels friendly in everyday riding situations. The bike also offers an upright riding position, making longer journeys far more comfortable than many riders expect from a sport-inspired motorcycle. Combined with its manageable weight, it remains easy to control in city traffic and on winding back roads. Mechanics appreciate the Ninja 650 because it has a strong reputation for durability and relatively low ownership costs. It's a motorcycle that can handle daily commuting, weekend rides, and even light touring without demanding constant attention in the garage. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. It gives riders the sporty look they want without the compromises often associated with high-performance sport bikes. You get comfort, reliability, and enough performance to keep every ride enjoyable. For many riders, this is the perfect middle ground, a motorcycle that looks exciting, feels approachable, and continues to deliver dependable service year after year. Number 5. Yamaha MT-07. The Yamaha MT-07 has earned a loyal following around the world, and it's easy to see why so many mechanics recommend it. This motorcycle has built its reputation on simplicity, reliability, and an incredibly enjoyable riding experience that appeals to both newer and experienced riders. Power comes from Yamaha's 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, a motor known for its strong low-end and mid-range torque. The bike responds quickly to rider input, making everyday riding feel lively and engaging without becoming overwhelming. It also remains relatively lightweight, which helps create the agile and confidence-inspiring handling that has made the MT-07 so popular. Adding to its practicality is impressive fuel economy, allowing riders to spend more time riding and less time stopping for fuel. Mechanics often praise the MT-07 because the platform has proven itself over many years of real-world use. The engine is known for its durability, maintenance requirements are straightforward, and major issues are uncommon when the bike is properly cared for. What makes the MT-07 special is how much personality it delivers. Every ride feels energetic, whether you're commuting to work or taking the long way home after a weekend ride. It strikes a rare balance between fun and practicality. This is the kind of motorcycle that reminds riders why they fell in love with motorcycling in the first place. And that's a big reason mechanics continue to recommend it. Number 4. Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 has been a favorite among riders and mechanics for decades. In a world where motorcycles constantly change, the SV650 remains one of the most trusted and respected middleweight bikes available. Its reputation wasn't built through marketing, it was earned through years of dependable real-world performance. At the heart of the motorcycle is a 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine that delivers smooth power with plenty of character. The engine provides strong low-end torque and a satisfying feel that many riders appreciate on both city streets and open highways. The bike also keeps its weight manageable, making it easy to handle for riders of different experience levels. Combined with its comfortable riding position, the SV650 remains enjoyable on both short commutes and longer weekend journeys. Mechanics often recommend the SV650 because of its proven reliability record. The design has been refined over many years, replacement parts are widely available, and routine maintenance is generally straightforward. It's the kind of motorcycle that rarely surprises owners with unexpected problems. Another reason riders keep coming back to the SV650 is its balance. It offers enough performance to stay exciting while remaining approachable and easy to control. Few motorcycles manage that combination as well as this one. For riders looking for a machine that simply works year after year, the SV650 continues to be one of the smartest choices on the road. Number 3. Kawasaki Versys 650. The Kawasaki Versys 650 is a motorcycle that many mechanics recommend when riders ask for one bike that can do almost everything. It may not get as much attention as some adventure or touring motorcycles, but those who own one often keep it for years because of its comfort, practicality, and reliability. Power comes from a proven 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that delivers smooth and predictable performance. Whether you're commuting during the week or heading out on a long-distance trip, the engine feels relaxed and capable. One of the Versys 650's biggest advantages is its upright riding position, which helps reduce fatigue during long hours in the saddle. It also offers generous fuel range, allowing riders to cover significant distances before needing to stop. Mechanics appreciate this motorcycle because it uses a well-established platform with a strong reliability record. Routine maintenance is straightforward and major mechanical issues are relatively uncommon when the bike receives proper care. That's exactly the kind of reputation professionals look for when recommending a motorcycle. What makes the Versys 650 stand out is its versatility. It feels comfortable in city traffic, stable on highways, and confident on winding roads. Few motorcycles adapt to different riding situations so effortlessly. For riders who want one dependable motorcycle capable of handling daily life and long adventures alike, the Versys 650 remains one of the most sensible and highly recommended choices available. Number 2. Honda NC750X. The Honda NC750X is one of those motorcycles that mechanics often recommend without hesitation. While it may not be the most exciting bike on paper, it excels in the areas that matter most to everyday riders: reliability, comfort, and low ownership costs. Its 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine is designed to deliver smooth, usable power rather than chasing high-performance numbers. The result is a relaxed riding experience that feels effortless in both city traffic and on longer highway journeys. The NC750X is also known for its excellent fuel economy, making it one of the most economical motorcycles in its class. Combined with its comfortable upright riding position, it becomes a bike that many riders can enjoy all day without feeling worn out. Mechanics appreciate the NC750X because Honda engineered it with practicality in mind. The platform has earned a reputation for durability, routine maintenance is straightforward, and the bike consistently proves itself capable of covering high mileage with minimal trouble. Another feature riders quickly grow to love is its built-in front storage compartment, adding everyday convenience that few motorcycles can match. It's a simple idea, but one that makes daily riding noticeably easier. The NC750X may not be the loudest or flashiest motorcycle on the road, but it's one of the smartest. For riders who value dependability and real-world usability, it's easy to understand why mechanics recommend it so often. Number 1. Honda Goldwing. When mechanics are asked which motorcycle they would trust for years of dependable riding, the Honda Goldwing is often near the top of the list. Few motorcycles have earned a reputation as strong as this one, and after decades of refinement, it continues to set the standard for long-distance comfort and reliability. Power comes from a smooth 1833 cubic centimeter flat-six engine that delivers effortless performance in almost any riding situation. Despite its size, the engine feels remarkably refined and relaxed, making highway travel incredibly comfortable. The Goldwing also offers exceptional wind protection, helping reduce rider fatigue during long journeys. Combined with its comfortable seating, it's a motorcycle designed to cover hundreds of miles with ease. Mechanics respect the Goldwing because of its proven durability, Many examples have accumulated extremely high mileage while continuing to perform reliably with proper maintenance. That's a level of long-term dependability few motorcycles can match. But what truly makes the Goldwing special is the riding experience. Everything feels refined, from the smooth engine to the overall comfort and stability. It turns long-distance travel into something enjoyable rather than exhausting. For riders who want a motorcycle built to last, capable of crossing countries in comfort and trusted by mechanics around the world, the Honda Goldwing stands as the clear #1 choice on this list. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle content. Ride safe!